While it may appear like a sunny day today, and somebody loves it, being in the sun, with the sun glistening off its fur, we have yet another Octember fail. I think this is number 8 at this point. Month started off good, and then just totally fucking Octembered. You might be able to see, I'll see if I can zoom in. And no focus. Great. The second hand is trying to move. Whoop, that would be aligned with the tripod. The second hand is trying to move. In fact, it wasn't even doing that yesterday. It's only doing that now. Do you have to steal the show every video I make? Really? Anyway, oh, he's making jungle sounds. Anyway, yeah, looks like a dead battery, but just died now for no reason. Now, here's a funny thing. Previous Octember video that I showed you about the Aldi lamp clock thing, where the clock display just went totally crazy. That particular clock there failed again after that video. So you might be thinking, well, it's, you know, you really should have replaced the battery rather than put the same one in. Well, you know, I've been tasting batteries for a long time, and it definitely tasted like there was enough voltage in there. So, so anyway, what actually happened was this. The weather has been kind of crazy lately, where it's getting to the point where, or it was getting to the point where it's nice during the day, the sun is out. If you're outside, it's beautiful out, no problem at all. But at night, it would get hot in the house. We were pushing 78, 79 degrees. So yeah, even in October, I was kicking the air on for a couple hours just to kill all that off, to get it back down to somewhere around 70, especially upstairs so I could sleep, but downstairs too, because I was, you know, doing shit on the computer, making videos, you name it, all that great shit. So anyways, I did that, and the clock failed again. So I think we're on to something with it being the change in weather, the change in temperature, that causes a lot of these Octember failures, because it can get really nice during the day and then downright cold at night. And like I said, that second hand wasn't even twitching the other day. So let's get a battery for this and replace it. I locked the lion out, but he might scratch at the door. This clock, I've had a video on this previously. I'll put a link to that in the prescription. I'll put a link to that in the prescription. The way it works is you get in here and you pull the back off. Oh, that's pulling off real nice. There it is. Take out the old battery. Really? It's really in there. That's great. All right, let me get something to take that out. Good old key did the trick, because that's what I had on me. All right, good. I love metal garbage cans. New battery. Before I even put the back on, we're clocking. I love that kind. Now, let's see. Alexa, what time is it? She says it's 2:21 p.m. The volume is down because the wife likes to listen to it quiet while she sits there and knits and shit like that. So 2:21 p.m. One of these is the alarm, and the other is the time. This is the time to remember that it's 2:21 p.m. So probably somewhere about in there because it's not quite 2:22 yet. That's good. Throw the back on. And that's another Octember fail fixed. Guess what, folks? We're not out of the woods yet. That's right, Octember fail 9, and this one is the fucking doozy. Not much I can show you on that, so I think I'm just going to have to tell you the story. And that'll be in an upcoming video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you click like. If you didn't, click dislike twice. Hit the subscribe button while you're at it. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.